What's Sissy doing?
Watching a fishy movie like this one.
What movie is that?
Fishy.
Is that what you did? Where'd you go? Is that your favorite movie? Do you love that movie?
Yeah.
Do you love it? Do you love it?
Yeah.
Why do you love it?
I want to watch this one. I don't need to fly. Let's clap on. Why, Mama? Hi, Mama.
Don't break it.
Look, Mama, look at it. That looks like a book. I gotta say, touch it. And killing out, see? I don't make it something out. Mom, can I fix this movie too?
Mm-hmm. Trying to see your face. Say hi.
Hi.
What do you want to eat?
I don't know. I know. Pops. And then I'm going to drink water. I want pops in water.
You already ate all the Pops, remember? You ate them yesterday.
Pops. Not the cereal ones, the pops. Pop down the freezer.
Say hi.
Poppy.
Say hi.
Hi. Bye.
Did you just roll your eyes at me?
We want pops.
Mm-hmm. What is it?
Little silly. We buy pops, but not a lot. She wants pops. Pops.